sun is already super hot, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're just gonna start off in a seated position here. I know like when you first wake up, your body's quite stiff, so just take your time getting into whatever shape feels most comfortable for a seat, and don't force yourself to conform to any certain shape, just whatever feels good for you. Right here, I just have my legs crossed. And we're just gonna start off the practice by taking a few deep breaths. So if it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes, and we're gonna begin with an inhale and exhale with your mouth open. Two more just like that. Inhale, exhale, and last one. Inhale, great. You can lift your eyes open slowly. So I love to start off with some spinal movement in the morning. So I'll just turn this way so you can see me. We're still gonna stay in a seat, and we're just gonna do an arched back. So this is like the cat-cow but seated. And then curve it in. And just repeat this. You can inhale as you're arching, exhale. And repeat this at your own pace here. And this just really helps to warm up the spine. I feel like after sleeping, you just wake up because it's like really stiff. So it's nice to just get some movement in, and we'll start off seated, and then move eventually into all fours. But for now, just go like this, and just a few more. Awesome. And I'm just gonna return back to the center here, and we're just gonna do some side to side movement. So placing your right hand down, we're gonna reach up to the sky, and then over. You should really feel this in your left side body here. And you can use the hand on the ground sort of as like an anchor to push down into. To help you increase some of the length in your side body as well. And you can play around with moving back and forth. Some days I like to just keep it very like straight like this, just a true side bend, but other days it might feel good to do a bit of like back and forth action here. And just hold it and keep breathing. That is the key. Okay, return to center, and then placing the left hand down, reaching the other one to the sky, and do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, the sun is hitting right now. I am literally already sweating, even just a few minutes into this. But it's good. I think sun really helps wake up your body as well. So getting a lot of that here today. And stretching, keep breathing, like I said. And returning to center. Awesome. So now we're going to move into all fours. I'm going to face this way. And in all fours, let's just take a quick pause in child's pose. So pushing back, and we'll stay here for just a few breaths. Breathing in and out. And this is a great pose just for reconnecting with your breath at any time, whether it's this practice or a different one. It's just a good place to return to recollect yourself. And you're just going to push back up and then into all fours. So don't hate me for this, but we're going to do a little abs here. So let's take your right leg back. Bring this take the leg back again. I'm just going to do some tiny pulses. Up, 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 up. Again, trying to just wake up the full body here. Pulsing it, and then bring it down. And then I really like to do this thread the needle movement, so we're just going to go ahead and reach the right arm up to the sky, bring it through, and you can also take your left arm forward if that's accessible to you. And this just really, again, stretches out the shoulders. So I love doing this in the morning as well. Pushing back, stretching it up, and placing the hand down. Okay, awesome. We're gonna move on to the other side now. So lifting the opposite leg that you had before up, as well as the arm. Just holding it here for a bit. Really engage the core, especially again after a night of sleep. You want to just activate the core, and that's going to serve you well for the rest of your day. Throughout any other movement that you might do, and then bring it in for 1, crunching it for 2, and 3. Cool. Bring it down for a sec, and then we're just going to move into those pulses. So lifting the leg up, just pulse. Down, and then we're doing the thread the needle. So lifting the arm up to the sky and bring it through. You can extend your arm forward as well. Here. Just take a few breaths here. Keep breathing, keep breathing. And then we'll push back into our fours here. So just gonna come back here for a final arms up to the sky, and bring them back down. And you can keep your arms here and close your eyes if you'd like, or you can rest your hands on your thighs as well. And just take a moment to spread some love and some gratitude to yourself for showing up today here for just a quick practice of moving your body. I think whenever we start our day off with movement, it's a really nice way to get everything moving in the body and just give us a bit of energy for the rest of the day. So take a moment to just thank yourself for doing that and taking the time. And we're all done for today, so you can slowly blink your eyes open. Thanks again, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.